Hi, in front of me is BLACKVIEW A80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store, then type repos for Instagram and download this app from this developer. Now you can go into your Instagram and pick a photo that you want to download. For example, that one. Click at the three dots, pick Share To, and choose Repost App. Then open it. Click at the photo after picking one of the options. Tap on the square icon to remove the label, and lastly, click the middle button. Click Allow and wait. Now when I go into my gallery, I can see that my photo was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!